Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you reset network settings on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So follow this guide easily, fix it. Let's get started. First thing first, take your phone, open settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down slowly, find the general management option, click on them. After that, scroll down again. This time you can find the reset option, tap to open it. Once you are in the reset page, scroll down again. In the reset section, you can see various options there. Find the reset mobile network settings, simply click on it. Then tap on reset settings at the bottom. Then verify to enter your phone screen password. Finally, tap on the reset option again at the bottom. And you have successfully reset network settings on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this guide will help you, please like this video. Also subscribe to my new channel to support them. Thanks for watching.